All right, today take a look at the Aputure Amaran 200x. This is a bicolor LED Bowens mount light. Okay, so we got our stickers, we got our instructions. There we go. That is the light. 200 watt bicolor light. This thing is awesome. There we got the power box. This runs 48 volts and 5.2 amps, 250 watts. And the plug for it. So the release is in the back. And that is a nice row of LEDs. And you can see that the top and the bottom are a little bit thicker. And that's important because there's less material. So it's going to be still outputting the same amount of light even though it's narrower. And for the light stand adapter, we do have a metal insert, so it's actually going to be making full metal contact. And it does have an umbrella mount on here, so we can stick a rod through here and tie it down. And of course the adjustment for the angle. On the back we got the jack, we got a power switch, and then we got two buttons that are also potentiometers. And this is kind of cool. The power actually has a lock on it. So you can't pull it out unless you pull this little tab back. So that's cool. Whoa, that thing is bright. Okay. All right. Wow. Yeah, that's incredibly bright. So right now it's at 100%. So let's go ahead and bring that down quite a bit. And we're at 4300K. There is a fan. I can hear it. That's pretty darn quiet. And I want to bring this down to about 3900 because that is the temperature I'm looking for. 2700, that's quite yellow. All the way up to 6500. So yeah, let's get with that. Slightly warm summer look. And if I click the right button, that cycles through 20% increments. So if I don't want to be dealing with this, if I just want to, I'm at 40, I want to go to 80, click it twice, now I'm at 80. So that's nice, goes nice and quick. And the CCT does similar things, so we got 2700, 32, 43, 56, 65. So nice, quick way of navigating this menu. So what I'm going to try and do here, right now it is 9:41 in the middle of December, and it's a little bit bleak coming out the window right here. And I really want to enhance this reflection. And that's the main point that I got this light. And to do that, I'm going to be using a Softbox. This is by Glow. This is a 31-inch by 47-inch. And that's the main reason I got it is because of the size. It's rectangular. Let's go ahead and pull that out. And that's also the big reason I got this 200X. I wanted the bicolor because I want to get that warmer, less dreary light pouring through this window. Okay, we got all kinds of goodies here. So we got some diffusion, we got what looks like a rod mount. Let's go ahead and pull this guy apart. Oh yeah. This kind of opens up like an umbrella. I'll get there, give me a minute. Yeah. Okay. I'm just guessing. I might be doing this wrong, but I think I'm doing it right. There we go. Big boy. I think that's going to be perfect. Maybe just a tiny bit small for this window. I think it'll be perfect. I might have to pull it back a foot or so. Okay, so, all right, so this is no diffusion except for the screen that I got over the window, and this is 100% at 3900K. So that's a bit overpowering. I mean, if you want the sun, that's it. It does look a little bit funky. If I do just regular eyes, it looks a little funky, but it looks nice. So I'm going to try it with diffusion and just see what that does. And actually, you know what? I'm going to turn it down. Let's do, I'll do 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100. But yeah, 60 I think looks pretty good. Let me just try with the diffusion and see if 2 layers of diffusion makes a difference. Okay, yeah, so that is a lot more even, definitely softer. That looks pretty nice. Now this is actually, I didn't realize it has 2 layers of diffusion for the softbox itself. So I'm actually running a total of 3 layers of diffusion. I've got what I got in front of the window, and then I got the 2 layers on the softbox. So that might be a little bit too soft for what I'm looking for. It does look very nice. Like this would be great for portraits or anything like that where you want to make, like my hand. Wow, okay. But I'm gonna go ahead and take off that inner layer and see what we get with just 2. Still a little bit soft maybe, but definitely not bad. And I think the biggest thing about this is that light's only running at 60% right now. I've got a couple of 60 watt lights that are bicolor that I try to use with this, and it just was not enough light at all. Really need to have that 200 watt light, so very happy to have it. Okay, so I got the diffusion removed. It's all here now. And yeah, like this, that's pretty darn close to what I'm looking for. That looks nice. Great light, great softbox. Just for the, all I really needed from that one was the reflective material and that width. So it's a perfect size softbox for what I'm doing here. But yeah, this is going to be my new setup. So cool.